So if you design a website, you're using by cpanel. So this will be using by particular website. Any website will be created for free website to premium version. The support by cpanel. cpanel will be login will be two process with the WHM with the direct cpanel. So we select by the WHM, select by particular website cpanel. Yeah, first of all, they're selecting for this kind of theme, the totally photo gallery theme. So any cpanel to creating for select any themes, the option call is here will be called SitePad Website Builder. In a cpanel, they give the free themes up to 3000 based on your posting up to 3000. In this one, select any one theme first. Without selecting any one theme, don't go with the other themes. First of all, and remove by existing theme, add by new theme. Remove by existing theme, add by new theme. Select it. Is uploading your content with your theme option. Go to your manage theme. Is my right now theme. Go to themes. Themes will be total category wise. Business, travel, others, photography, real estate, coming to more, health, restaurant, event, portfolio, blog, personal, consulting, web design, technologies, education, e-commerce, profile, classic, entertainment, music, hosting, software, sports, coming soon, nature and followers, pizza and lawyer. These are total categories. So by your lawyer, sell by lawyer website. Your pizza corner, sell by the pizza. So right now my theme is working for this one. This will be my theme details. How to change every content will be coming to pages, blog, media and menus and settings. The same like free WordPress. So right now I'm changing the theme. First of all, existing theme will click for reset. Reset all pages or reset full site. Continue. First of all, reset by the existing website. Means reset nothing but completely removed. Completely removed. So done. Next, select the theme. Suppose you start by any pizza corner. I'll go to separate category. Pizza. So what are the create will be activity? This will be good. Okay. Now click for simple activate. The theme is activated. We'll go into process. Previous will be like this. This is my previous portfolio site. Existing will be menus. Now, setting for pizza theme means I'm starting for pizza corner to my domain name. So any website creation using cpanel is very easy to same like a WordPress site. So ready. Now click for publish. Finally, publishing is very, very important. So let's go to your publishing here. Now look for Control F5. So when finished by 100%, the site will be changed. Still waiting here. No, still not updating. Go to 68%, 72. This eligible by the any hosting, but shared and reseller little bit different by the give by themes. So most of the reseller will give the provided options. Site will be ready. Click for done. Now click for refresh. It is done. Now click for home page. You can see by your site. Is it clear? Everything will be ready. So what are the changes are required? Home, blog and contact. That will be showing for in your option call is here will be showing all options. Clear? So what are the content you have changed? So you are already showing for Pizza Mania. So here will be coming to this. What is that? Pizza Mania. I'm writing for Pizza Hut. Done. Any changes content. The final one is called click for publish. So what are the changes you have done? Final one is called go to publish. This will be making a select your theme using by cpanel to make a perfect website. So this will be you can practice by using cpanel to log in and change your content, change your menus. So what are the people changing theme? Any person one time will be accessed by the changing by the theme. Suppose one person is using by cpanel, this person is using by cpanel. They will be using for crashes. They do other work, no issues. They using for theme access will upload by two members in one time. Then all will be work. So updating here. When finish 100%, the name will be changed. When will be 100%, the name will be changed. These are major category to make a site using cpanel. No need to any knowledge of coding. Just implement by action of your content to create a pages, add your content on particular site. So uploading here. For the previous name, Pizza Mania. Done. Now you can refresh. Change it. So what are the pages are required? Just go by close. Just to go by close. What are the pages you have created? Go to your pages, create a new page. And if you want check the header will be here. Edit. Check the header will be edit. So every option will be there by pages to add the page, to create the content, to check the your all information by header. Header nothing but your total front end page. Total front end page. This will be here. So this is called create your site using the theme. Option call is cpanel.